Hey guys, been an interesting week. I think doing the whole garden thing that one day. I think I cooked myself a little bit, and then the next few consecutive days, I think I also continued to cook myself. So I'm feeling like not great. I'm so worn out. I'm just so exhausted. I've massive brain fog and just can't focus on anything. Get little bursts of energy and then do a little bit of something, but haven't done a whole lot, which is kind of crappy. One thing I did do is I picked up a whole schwack load of parts for the RAM charger, so I got to get that started and tackle that one. Yeah, I'm bagged. But yeah, I'm just sitting in the Sonoma. I've just been watching some YouTube videos and freaking snoozing, dozing off, and wake up, get a little bit of energy, go out and do something, and then come back in here and just veg again. One thing I was doing was, I think last night or the night before, I put the air tank back in the Mazda, replumbed it so that it doesn't have the compressors on it, because the compressors, am I leaking or no? It's just shiny for some reason. The compressors leaked and they didn't actually work, so I pulled them off. I filled it up with shop air, and yeah, I can bomb around and have the locker in the front work. I still need to build the rear locker, but I'll get there. Holy crap. I don't even think it's 8 o'clock yet. I'm just flat out exhausted. But yeah, when I filled it up with air, if I don't have the rear locker solenoid in the lock position, it leaked. The front was fine either way. It could be locked or unlocked and it held pressure. So I took it apart and cleaned it up, but I'll show you guys. It's got some dirt in it. Yeah, so this thing, don't know how dirt got in it. But yeah, there's lots of dirt inside the little valve rod. I don't know what it's called. But basically, air input is here, and then the solenoid will kick either one way or it'll kick the other way, and it'll divert air from here into here, or into here, and then it'll evacuate this to this, or it'll kick air from here to here and evacuate this to this. But anyways, the whole assembly was just full of dirt, so I cleaned it out, cleaned the O-rings off. Internally it looks good, there's no scoring or anything, so I'm just gonna go fire this back into the Mazda, fill the tank back up, and see if I can have it unlocked and it not leak. Holy crap. I love these lines, they're so fluorescent. But yeah, I'll get this plumb back in. It just, I had it literally zip tied to the bottom here with the exhaust ports facing forward, so I'm not surprised that it got full of crap. I will have to figure out a different way to attach this so that it doesn't happen again. But yeah, we'll get it all buttoned up. Don't fall off, please. Stay there. Yeah. I'm not going to bother zip tying it up right now. I just want to see if it leaks, because if it does, then I'm going to have to tear it down again. But yeah, we got this little Schrader valve fitting right here, so we'll get this tank topped up and turn the switch to the unlock position and see if it hisses. Oh, it's still leaking. Where's it leaking from? I literally cannot feel where it's leaking from. it almost sounds like it's leaking from inside here. Maybe there's, I don't know. I'll pull the solenoid off again. I'll have a look. I just went to go pull the solenoid off and it's leaking right out the top here. I don't know why. Pretty neat, but yeah, I don't know. Very strange. Well, maybe I will just, I don't know, replace it. I do have one more left. Yeah, that's about the extent of it. I've not been able to do much. I think I diagnosed a bad alternator on that Bronco. It won't charge. The alternator gets hot like it is charging, but it's not outputting any voltage, so what else? I fixed a lawnmower, got it running. It's a very easy hour. I think that's about it. There's not been much going on, but yeah, I'll try to get this brain fog thing conquered and get out there and kick some ass. Well, it's a new day. I took this guy apart and cleaned it out again, and yeah, now it's not leaking. No more leaky. Perfect. So I'm gonna probably find some hose and run just a mud cover off of this, and then just strap it right back up to there for now. It'll be out of the way enough that it's not going to be an issue. Yeah, but now I got front locker again because I have air, so that's pretty cool. And I won't be draining the tank. One thing I want to do is run a gauge or something off of that so I can see what I'm at for pressure in the cab. But we'll see how much I get up to. I'm still not feeling great today. Feeling a little bit better than yesterday, so we'll see what the day provides for us.